Hey there, backyard biologist. Today we've got a sweet treat for you. We're diving into the world of hummingbirds and showing you how to whip up your very own homemade sugar water nectar for these delightful, high-energy birds. We've got a recipe that is as easy as 1, 2, 3, and it's perfect for the entire family. So let's get ready to create a hummingbird haven in your own backyard. But before we get started, have you wondered what hummingbirds eat besides nectar? We'll learn more about that in a minute, but let's first talk about why making your own hummingbird nectar can be such a good, healthy choice for these birds. By making your own nectar, you're not only ensuring a healthier and more natural option for your hummingbird friends that mimics flower nectar, but also you're avoiding the potential of unwholesome preservatives and dyes that are often found in store-bought alternatives. So thanks in advance for being a conscious backyard biologist and making your own. Today we'll share the secret to create a healthier nectar that will make your backyard the go-to destination for these charming little visitors. It's a simple, kid-friendly recipe that's both safe and effective. So here's what you'll need. Water, clean and fresh, regular white sugar, this is the good stuff for our hummingbird friends and our young biologist, a measuring cup and spoon, a pot for heating, and a long wooden spoon for stirring. Now let's get started with the recipe. It's all about the perfect 4-to-1 ratio of water to sugar. That means for every 4 parts of water, we'll use 1 part of sugar. We like this ratio of sugar water best because it provides the variety of sugar hummingbirds are adapted to digest. It's about the same sugar concentration as the flowers they most often visit, and they like the taste of it. We'll start by adding our 4 cups of water into our pot. Now that our water's boiling, let's add 1 cup of sugar. Next, we're going to give it a good stir until all the sugar is dissolved. That hot water will help this along faster. Remember, never use honey, artificial sweeteners, or any dyes. These additives can harm the hummingbirds that we're supporting. And make sure to stick around to the end for some tips on the best places to hang your hummingbird feeder. But before moving on to that, let's answer our hummingbird feeding question. Did you know hummingbirds' natural diet includes flower nectar and even tiny insects like fruit flies, gnats, and mosquitoes? It's true. Hummingbirds are vicious insectivores. These little dynamos have a super high metabolism. They need to drink about every 15 minutes and consume up to 3 times their body weight in a single day. That's crazy. With our 4-to-1 ratio of water to sugar, we're providing the perfect fuel supplement for these incredible creatures. If you're finding this video helpful, please give it a like. And as a thanks for doing so, here's a funny video of a hummingbird. Now that you have your nectar, you're going to need to find the perfect place to hang your feeder. Luckily, we've got some tips up our sleeves to keep your hummingbirds happy and coming back to your yard for more. As a start, you'll want to find a quiet spot in your backyard, away from any windows and direct sunlight, where you can hang your feeders. But make sure to tune in to our next video, where we'll detail the best placement of hummingbird feeders in your yard for happy birds that keep coming back. And here's a bonus fact for you. Did you know that hummingbirds are the only birds that can fly backwards? They're like little avian superheroes. So you ready to create your own hummingbird haven? Prepare our simple nectar recipe, fill your feeders, and watch the magic happen right in your yard. If you got any questions or want to share your hummingbird experiences with us, drop a comment below. And if you enjoyed making hummingbird nectar with us, give this video a like so that more backyard biologists can watch it. Until next time, keep exploring, keep discovering, and keep sharing the wonders of nature with your loved ones. Happy hummingbird watching!